Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we talking about how to grow on Amazon affiliate program using YouTube. Now leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon world. Now I've been using Amazon's affiliate program since January this year, and so far I received over 25,000 clicks. I got 250 ordered items, 234 shipped, one return item. My conversion rate is 0.99. We're going to work on that and get that better. But my total shipped item revenue is $8,300. And my total earnings from all of that is $393. Now, how I'm creating this is using YouTube. I'm getting all of my traffic organically through YouTube, and I want to share, if anybody else out there, you may be creating content on YouTube, you may want to start, or you may just be interested in Amazon affiliate, a method to make money, and I just want to share how I'm using YouTube to make money on Amazon. Now, before we get into it, it's good to know, like, you might see this number like, dang, you ship $8,000 worth of items and only got $300. Well, Amazon has a fixed fee for each category in which you sell items under. If you sell luxury items, it's going to be the most, or beauty items, I should say, it's going to pay you the most return, which is 10%. So if you sold $100 worth, you will get $10. And it goes down in different categories, like furniture and home is 8%. Headphones is 6%. Outdoor stuff, 5%. Digital music, 5%. Books are 4%. The Amazon tablets and Kindle devices are 4%. Amazon Fresh and toys are 3%. So on this page, I'll leave a link in the description, but you can see the different fee levels for the products. Now, what I do is, let me show you on the back end of one of my videos. See, at the bottom of every video, I enter in Yon World video equipment. So basically, this is the equipment I use to create videos. I use a YouTube vlog camera, iPhone X, a MacBook, an editing software program, and another laptop, and I post that at the end of every video, along with some other affiliate links. But what happens is people go through your link and they click and they buy things, and it has a cookie on it. And what a cookie is basically is tracking the activity of the user. So I believe it's 30 days, correct me if I'm wrong, but 30 days, Amazon will track your link, and anything somebody buys through your link within 30 days, it'll be tracked back to you. Now, in order to get an Amazon Associates account, you have to first sign up. But in order to create these links that you see in my description, you go to any product on Amazon. Right now, I search for a YouTube vlogging camera. Any product on Amazon, and you go up here at the top. Once you create your Amazon Associates account, you will see this get link at the top of every product on Amazon. So right now we can get a text link, we can get an image, or we get an image and a text. So we only need a text for YouTube, and then you get that and you create a short link. What I do is, or what I did was, I got all of my short links and I put it all in a memo pad. Sorry about that. Put it all in a memo pad for y'all, and every time I drop a video, I put it at the end of it. Now, for example, I do gaming videos too. If I make a gaming video or a video within a specific niche, I post Amazon product links. So if you're doing gaming videos, or if you think about recording yourself, because it's easy to record gaming footage and you can get paid on YouTube for uploading your gaming footage. So when you do that, I add in the game link. So if somebody watching the video, they may get interested, like, let me buy that, and then they go through your link and it comes back to you. So it grows over time. As you can see, I started in January. February, is a little slope. It went down, but it went back up. For May, was one of my best months. And June, is the current month. But Amazon affiliate program is something that grows organically over time. Something else I want to point out, you also can get bounties. Now you can see right here, I got $8 worth of bounties, but Amazon also pays good money when you promote direct services like Amazon Business, Amazon Family, Amazon Home Services, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime. And you can create a blog and have images up. Like, let me show you, for example. So if you have a blog on WordPress, right here where you see the HTML code, you copy this code and you place them at the end of your blog, whatever you're talking about, and people can go and shop directly on Amazon and you receive a commission for anything they buy. So it's good for bloggers. It's good for people who make a YouTube. If you own a website, if you want to send an ad somewhere. So say, for example, you can get ads and get advertisement placement on different banners of websites. So if you want to get banner placement on websites, you can get the image and text, and all you need to send them is the HTML code and pay for the slot, and then you can get traffic that way. So Amazon Associates, Amazon affiliate program is a great way to make extra money on YouTube. And I learned this from a top YouTuber he's real big, Casey, but he's real big on YouTube, and he always posts all of the equipment he uses in Amazon. And if you see what his Amazon affiliate account is right now, is crazy. So over time, this stuff grows. Like, YouTube is a website that's going to be here forever. So if you're thinking about the long term, you got to start now. Put your foot down in the door, make a lot of videos and post the links in every video you make. And over time, when topics that you're talking about become relevant or people search, they go through your link, it all comes back full circle. So you just got to have a vision with it. Stay focused, remain consistent. Every video you post, it should have an Amazon associate link. So, yeah, it's real easy to do this. It don't take much. So if you creating content on YouTube, you new to YouTube, and you want to have the best run at it, make the most money, make money in your description. You can make money in your description by just posting links on every single video you create. As you create more, YouTube's algorithm will shift and promote you more, and in turn give you more traffic, more clicks, more money on the back end, as well as your YouTube ad revenue. So I'm gonna be making a lot more videos like this. Sorry, y'all, I'm excited, man. I love talking about stuff like this, but I'm gonna be making a lot more videos about money, how to make money on the internet, just to inspire y'all, because it's possible. You just gotta get out here and do it. Work every day. You know what I'm saying? Don't compare yourself to nobody else. Just continue to grind. Don't chase the money. Get more in love with the process of the creation and learning, because it's about the journey. A lot of people going nowhere fast. So take time and learn this stuff. Take time and edit your descriptions and edit your tags, and you're going to see a return sooner or later. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.